Hey everyone, it is Money Mike. I want to share with you the rarity and the value of a fancy serial number, and it is called a double quad. So for those of you that aren't aware that serial numbers on bills can actually be valuable, or for those of you that are aware but you're just not up to speed on the rarity and the value of the double quad, I would definitely listen in, and then if you end up finding a serial number that is similar to this one, I would reconsider spending that bill because they are definitely valuable. So what is it that you're looking for? First, start with the first half of the serial number, and that digit is going to repeat itself 4 times in a row. Then in the second half of the serial number, a different number is going to repeat itself 4 times in a row. So in terms of the value, where does that come from? Well, that's going to be the rarity. And I do have a chart pulled up from the coincommunity.com forum, and it discusses the double quad, and it suggests that it occurs 90 times in a run of almost 100 million notes. And that would be if they were printed in sequential order. That would end up making those odds 1 in 1,111,111 bills. Now on modern notes, the serial number doesn't quite go this high. It goes up to 96 million. And that's anything with a $20 denomination or lower. So it will throw these numbers off that we're looking at. It's going to throw them off slightly. But the exact number doesn't particularly matter in this case. What does matter is that they are rare, and that is what is driving the value. So in terms of value, I do have a couple of recent eBay sales pulled up to showcase that. Now, this is only over the last few months, and there weren't a whole lot. Like I said, there were a couple, and I'm assuming most likely because they are a rare serial number, and there's just not a lot out there right now that people are selling. So what I do have to show you here is starting with this one, which we can see it sold for $87. And then the only other one I have to show is this one, and we can see that that one sold for around $84. So in terms of value, I do hope that this video was valuable for you. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and happy hunting.